Makes playtime convenient. The Zoom Portable Playard comes with a easy-to-fold design that enables a no-tool assembly in seconds. With a travel bag included, it's super portable and easy to store when folded. Sturdy and safe. The Zoom Playard comes with locking castors for additional stability, and meets or exceeds all ASTM and CPSC standards. POWERPACKED for playtime. The Playard comes with breathable mesh inserts on all four sides for easy 360-degree visibility. It's a full-size Playard. A finish for every decor. The Zoom Playard is available in 5 contemporary finishes: blue, pink, light gray, green and dark gray. Product specs. Dimensions: 40 inches L by 27 inches W by 29 inches H inches, with a weight of 16.95 pounds. The Playard is meant for children up to 35 inches tall. Top reviews from the United States. Satisfied. Works well when I need a safe place to put him down for a little while. Mine was irritating to get the last bar to snap into place, but I've honestly never used a pack and play that hasn't done that to me.